Sending email on a schedule with no idea which one actually worked? This sheet ranks them for you. This is your email plan. 1 row per email, and you only ever type in the yellow cells. Step 1. Add an email you are about to send. Date, topic, type, segment, channel and subject line. The date column and the subject length fill themselves. Nothing to type there. The cards on top react straight away. Emails in the plan, emails sent, and what is due soon. Step 2. Once it has gone out, paste 4 numbers from your email provider's report. Open rate, click rate, CTOR, and unsub rate all calculate themselves. Green is on benchmark, red is below it. Step 3. The send calendar. Every email lands on its own day, and the color tells you the type. Change the month number and the whole grid follows. One look and you see a month of rhythm. The bottom line even flags the longest gap between 2 sends this year. Step 4. The subject lines tab ranks every sent email by open rate. Read down the list and you know which style is working, and which one to rewrite. Below it, the file compares subjects with a number or an offer against those without, and short ones against long ones. Step 5. The Analysis tab shows which email type and which audience actually perform. 1 row per type. Emails, open rate, click rate, unsubs, and the revenue it brought in. The same table again by customer segment, with 2 charts beside it. Step 6. The Filter tab. Pick your criteria in the yellow cells to zoom into one group. The cards, the written insight and the list underneath all filter instantly. You can stack criteria too. Type, segment, channel, status and month. Step 7. The dashboard puts the whole program on one screen. 6 headline numbers. The unsub card turns red the moment it passes the threshold you set. Switch the period and every number and every chart follows it. Finally, the Insights tab turns those numbers into a to-do list. Unsub warnings, a nudge when your list goes cold, and a health score for the whole program. Scan the code to see this template on SmartITSoft.com.